us. One of us.
All right, why am I not able to pull up the other chat? It's doing that stupid thing again. Okay. Doing the dumb thing again. Doesn't want to pull up the chat. Copy. I'll fix it. I'll do it this way. That's fine. Paste.
Do.
Okay. There we go. Yep, that's going. Okay. So now we're going to do TikTok. Yep. Kick. Yeah, I know you. I know why. Okay. Reveal capture. Okay, bam. All right. Hey Johnny, if you want to get the new disc, yesterday I don't know if you got to see any of the stream or if you watched the replay. I was able to get a minecart, chest minecart, into a sulfur cave, and if you open it in a sulfur cave, it'll give you the disc. So if you want to pick up
Hell
your
yeah.
disc, you could head on over there because the chest is there, and you just gotta grab it, and you're good to go.
Okay. Cool.
All right. And you could also see
Yeah,
if you want to
listen.
get yourself one of those guys too.
Meh.
Good.
You know, the little dudes, they are not what was advertised. I with the update, I clearly did a little testing with them. They do not do what they were intended to do. The sponge thing, nah, it doesn't work.
Okay, cool. So it does work.
It does not.
No, I'm looking at something else. So,
Oh,
Brooks Gaming here figured out. I don't know what's the issue, my guy. Like you guys, you using cracked servers and cracked like clients, and I told you the plugin or the AMP server application I'm using is so anti-piracy. They do not allow you to remove any of that protections to just have it be available to people like with cracked devices. Like it's not something I can do. I paid like I'm gonna say this now. I paid $50 for this application that'll give me a lifetime license and lifetime support if there's issues. I am not gonna just be like, oh, let me just throw this thing away and just use something else. No, sorry, not gonna happen. If I could spend $50 for this application, nothing against you if you're broke, but it's $8 on a mobile device.
yeah. Also,
All right, well
just
then,
stop using
what's the
cracked
issue then?
client sets.
You're the only one who has an issue. The only one. Like,
wasn't he in the Sovo before?
Yeah, Joe. He's .Joe.
Yeah, he keeps joining and leaving.
Yeah, so something's causing him to leave.
Something's kicking him. So, I mean,
Interesting.
maybe it's not restricting him from getting in from the client, but maybe he's popping in and he's having maybe he's just getting kicked. I mean, is it the anti-fly thing?
I turned off that anti-fly, so it shouldn't be that.
Do you have any other protection walls for stuff?
I'm gonna minimize Discord so I can look at this my stream.
Yeah, try to log on, and we're gonna troubleshoot it now. So we're gonna start the stream by trying to get you online. Why is my ping ridiculously high?
I think it's all these mobs.
No, because the ping is just me. It's not you guys. It's just me.
Yeah, sometimes it drops for all of us though.
I'm at 2160 milliseconds for ping, not the TPS, the ping.
Interesting.
Oh. Well, still could be
F3,
lag,
let's
could be could be the bandwidth. You're connected virtually or locally?
Locally, because I wanted to try to see if that would resolve it, and it's obviously not.
Well,
yeah,
anyway.
I feel like I'm playing Live, Die, Repeat.
Yeah.
If it's connected to the internet, I can join, but I can't join with mobile data. So you can change that setting. I mean, I don't know if you're playing in an iPhone or an Android setting, but you can go to the game settings and shut off mobile data restriction for joining servers. Maybe that's why I won't stay on. Maybe public servers are, I don't know, just permitted, and there's a setting within Minecraft. It may not be like necessarily within Minecraft. It might be in the phone under Minecraft, like
In the
your
phone
phone
itself,
setting.
yeah.
But if you can't get on with mobile data, there may be a restriction turned on. Go shut that off, and maybe you'll be fine. Because if you're playing for mobile, which frankly just kind of sucks, but like if you're committed to doing it, and you're doing it through Bedrock. Go check that out first. Might solve your problem.
Yeah, you're right. It's probably a restriction that he has on there if that's the mobile thing.
What are we gonna do today?
Well, right now, we got what did we do? We got the sulfur cubes. I've got the sulfur blocks. I've got tuft. I found my tuft blocks. I had put them in ender chests or shulker boxes. So I want to try to get everything over to the new area and start building, or at least I want to start building a case.
Okay, I can.
But
I
your
can help with
server
that.
says IP incorrect, but it's correct. Can you type out the IP the way it appears on the screen? Can you just type it out in the chat how you have it typed out?
Okay, so I just did a little investigation. If you're on mobile, like literally in the Minecraft game itself, you go to settings, you go to general, and there's network settings where you have to flip on allow mobile data for online play. So the mobile data setting that you're having trouble with is in the game itself under settings, general.
And what's the port number? I might have to just reset my network. Could be just my router being dumb.
I mean, maybe, but you're playing through the same thing.
Yeah, I was about to say
on
you.
Bedrock.
Let's cobble deep slate. This is regular deep slate though. You don't have to regular deep slate. Also, juice.
How about you delete the server completely? Just delete it, and then re-add it from scratch.
I don't know if, well, on mobile, I don't know that it can.
You can. Whoa.
Can it?
Yeah, I played on mobile before.
Well, if 1096 is the right port number, I mean, Darkflame, I mean, even if it is just our server that does it, still go just verify that setting. Go back to the main screen, go to settings, go to general, and under network settings, just make sure that allow cellular data for gameplay is toggled on. If it is on, I mean, you don't have to toggle it on and off. I'm just saying, just make sure that it is in fact on. If it is on and you're still having trouble. I just want to eliminate that from the possibility list. Oh, I think he meant he deleted it and re-added it like 10 times. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, Darkflame, go check that setting first. Because then we can start saying what isn't and what is.
Yeah. What happened to my YouTube stuff? Did that get disconnected? Crap, hold on. Let's... Oh, that's not what I want.